Wow, from floor to ceilings, it's full of formations. From the floor to the ceiling. It's just amazing. Amazing place, everyone. Definitely recommend for anybody who want to visit Virginia or East Coast. Definitely stop by Shenandoah National Park, Luray Cavern. And hello.
Any questions?
So this is the end of the tour?
No, actually. You will have about a quarter mile left.
Ooh.
You are finished. This is Giant's Hall. You are about 164 feet below the surface.
Okay.
And the tallest formation in the cave is right here. And that is actually 47 feet tall.
Oh.
And just something I like to point out, this formation right here, it can look like a Christmas tree, a shell, or even an upside down ice cream cone. And we like to call it Rocky Road.
This is the tallest.
Yes, it's the tallest formation, the big one from the top to the very bottom.
Oh, wow.
It is a stalactite going from the ceiling to the floor.
Is it still growing or is it?
It may be, but we are not certain. It more than likely is not because it has already hit the bottom.
Wow.
But there's no guarantee. It is 47 feet tall.
Wow. 47 feet doesn't look like 47 feet, but it is. 47 feet, that's the highest or the tallest formations in the cave. 47 feet. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful. Wow. It's beautiful. Yeah, like in Egypt, right? Like a sphinx in Egypt. And it's not the end of the.
Hello. Hi. Any questions?
She's saying it's not over yet. We still have another quarter.
Quarter more to go?
I thought this is where we started, right?
Yeah, it's like a long way to go.
Oh, that's the Christmas tree. Yeah. See, I was telling you that looks like a Christmas tree up there. That's a Christmas tree, everyone. That's so
It looks
cute.
like a Buddhist statue.
Yes, that
the
too.
top of the
Yes, that too. Yes.
Buddhist temple.
That is so cool. So cool.
It's like a tip of the Buddhist
Gonna take a snapshot of it.
Now there's a tip. Boom, it glows. Of course we don't, right? Lamp shining on it.
Did you get any water drop on your head?
It always got foam on my head.
Uh-huh. So this is the tallest column in the cave, 47 feet. 47 feet from the bottom to the top. Hey, look at this weird one over here.
Yes.
So what is up there that I missed?
Here kind of looks like a jellyfish.
Uh-huh.
Right there looks like a mermaid tail over there.
Okay.
And then behind you it looks like a Christmas tree or a
Yeah,
seashell
yeah,
or however you would see it.
Yep, I like that one.
I've heard
Cheese.
quite a few things on what that one is today. I've heard stacks of butter, cupcake stacks
Oh,
of
yeah.
cinnamon bun stacks.
Now I heard people actually getting married in here. Is that?
Yes, they actually get married in that room over there. There's been about 500 weddings
Oh
or
wow.
more, and there's been about 250 proposals.
500 wedding. Oh my goodness. That is awesome.
I hope you all have a good day.
Thank you.
You too.
Thank you for your work.
Did you see the mermaid tail on the ceiling? Did you see the mermaid tail on the ceiling? Cause I don't. Do you? All right. So this is the orchestra chamber. This reminds me of the Phantom of the Opera, where he lives under the opera house in Paris, and this is where he hide out pretty much all his life, adult life, and compose musics. Yep, Phantom of the Opera. And this chamber is also the place where a lot of people or couple propose and get married. According to the tour guide, the tour person, there is over 500 weddings that's being performed right in these chambers, in this very room. Very interesting, I would say. And that is the organ where they, I guess, perform the wedding ceremony. Yep, that's the organs. So they say there's over 500 weddings that have been performed in this chamber. And proposal and what have you. So this is the organ they playing the, I guess, wedding song.
Probably sounds really good in that with the,
Yeah, because of echoing
the acoustics.
off the wall. So, oh, wow. Yeah, I think so. It's timing. It's setting like. So that's the orchestra. Wow, it's beautiful. The music actually reflects off the wall in this chamber. Can you imagine that? I can see why people want to get married in here. Did you hear the music, Manny? Did you hear the music from that organ from that organs? It reminds me of Phantom of the Opera where he lives. He is a genius, a composer, an architect, an artist, a magician. He truly is a genius. I remember in the movie Phantom of the Opera. This, I believe,
You picked up a lot better than I can.
where they perform weddings and ceremonies and
Wedding ceremonies, everything.
uh-huh.
So they're all down here.
Because the sound with
really
echoing
cool.
off the wall.
Yep.
of the cave is
Echo and bounce
it's
around
amazing.
this whole wall here. So this is a limestone
It's
that has a little special tone. There's some certain sound hits it.
oh wow. This is definitely magical. It's so magical, so mysterious. Yep. 1956, this is when the organ being put in, 1956. They were talking about the organ. Yep. I'm not sure if it's. This, everyone, is conclude our tour of Luray Cavern. There are thousands of tourists visit this Luray Cavern every year, and getting and propose and get married in this very chamber, very warm.
30 now.
I hope everyone enjoyed this video of the Luray Cavern in Virginia, in town of Luray, Shenandoah National Park, right below Shenandoah National Park, Blue Ridge Mountains. I hope this video will inspire everyone to come out and visit this beautiful caverns, magnificent formations within the cavern itself. And I guarantee you will not regret the experience, and it's a lifetime, it creates lifetime memory. So definitely, I would strongly encouraging everyone to bring their friends, their families out for a day of adventure and explorations. Yes. Thank you for watching, everyone. And have a wonderful summer. God bless and Buddha bless. Oh, here go the music is playing again from that very organs.